Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to put your car into the screen cleaning mode for your 2016 Tesla Model S. So, if you ever try to clean your car and you need to wipe off your screen, but don't want to mess up your settings in your vehicle, this is the best mode for you. So in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is first off, we're going to go to the vehicle settings, which is the Model S logo on the bottom left of the screen. And I'm going to press on that. And once we press on that, what we're going to do is go to display, obviously, because we're doing display settings. And right here below energy savings mode, there will be a screen clean mode right here. And screen cleaning mode basically says clean the touch screen with a soft cloth designed for monitors and displays. Do not use cleaners, wet wipes, or dry statically charged materials. So yeah, they instruct you on how to clean this screen right here and the best way to not scratch it and stuff. And you can wipe it off and not mess with anything on the screen because it takes 3 seconds to exit out. And so let's go ahead and exit out of the screen. 2, 1, and we're back on the main settings again. And yeah, that would be it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.